Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to easily post pictures on Instagram story without losing quality. So for that guys, you just navigate to your settings. Let me go there. Alright, and once we are here, you can either search for the setting yourself, or I would recommend just going into the search and just type in quality in here. And as you can see, you will get this little section of settings, data usage and media quality. Click on it. And here's our magical setting, as you can see, upload at highest quality. So this will ensure that the app uploads the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. So this will apply onto every single media that you upload, including stories. So enjoy guys. If you want to upload high quality pictures and photos, this is how it's done. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment and some feedback in the comment section.